Amazon FBA model. Everyone knows this is the famous business model to sell on Amazon. But do you know that it is not suitable for all sellers and all the products? Hey everyone, I am Nivetha Muralidharan, founder of Newgen and Nivetha Academy. I have trained over 50,000 plus people to kickstart their e-commerce journey and help several D2C brands to skyrocket their sales. In this video, I'm going to share you what is Amazon FBA and who should select Amazon FBA, what are the criteria should be considered for sale. Let's get into the video. FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. This means that you are storing the parcels on Amazon warehouse and Amazon will take care of the end-to-end operation from picking the parcel, packing, shipping to the customer and also return handling. Now, everyone knows like FBA will give you more visibility. More visibility means more sales. No doubt in that, it's 100% true. And also, once you send your products to Amazon FBA warehouse, you can automate the entire process. Your presence is not at all required. But here are some criteria that you should consider when you're planning to send your products to FBA. Don't send your products to FBA warehouse in case you don't have any FBA warehouse in your own state and your product is completely new. Especially for new beginners, consider that you are a seller from Kerala. Kerala is not having FBA warehouse and you have started the business with a minimum budget of 50,000 rupees. In this particular scenario, I won't recommend you to send the products to Amazon FBA warehouse in Tamil Nadu or Karnataka because this will incur you an additional expense of taking another state GST or what we call as VBOP. So you are from Kerala, you will be having Kerala GST. If you want to store the products in Amazon FBA warehouse in Chennai, you should take Tamil Nadu GST. This is an additional expense. You can completely avoid this if you're a new beginner and your budget is too low. Instead, try the below options. You can start using Easy Ship from your own location, but in case you're working and you don't have any time, you can use MSF, Multi-Seller Flex, which is similar to FBA, but this is completely handled by third-party providers, but you can automate the entire process. So going on for an FBA is not mandatory in case your state is not having FBA warehouse and your budget is too low and you're completely kickstarting your Amazon account and you're testing it in the initial days. The second criteria is like if the weight of the product is way too higher, please don't go to FBA. FBA is not a suitable option for you at all. Because there is a limit for FBA inboarding, FBA storage, etc. So if your weight is going to be like 20-30 kgs and all, don't try FBA warehouse. Instead use Easy Ship or Self-Ship. You can go specifically for Self-Ship. In case you are planning to ship only to your own city, etc. then definitely try out Self-Ship. So there are multiple criteria like this where people don't go for FBA. It's perfectly fine because generally all the mentors will say like go for FBA because that's where you will get more visibility and more sales. I completely agree to it, but one point of time you should really understand whether FBA is more profitable for you and FBA is suitable for you. Use SKU economics from your inventory on Amazon Seller Central app to understand whether you are making profits on individual ASINs. This will help you to understand which fulfillment mode is best for you. For example, consider that you have already launched your listing. Definitely launch your listing in FBA if you are completely new and if your state is having FBA warehouse. Consider that you have launched it and you are successfully running but you want to test it between FBA and Easy Ship, then here is something that I have for you. For 30 days, do put your products on FBA, check out how much sales are you generating. For 30 days, put your products on Merchant Fulfill and check out how much are you getting. Just make a comparison of this, not in terms of numbers, but also in terms of profits. Whichever is giving you more profits, please proceed with this. In case your agenda is just like more revenue because you want some investor funding, etc., then select the best option that is suitable. Don't blindly go and select Amazon FBA because everyone is doing that and everyone is selecting it. But honestly, FBA is the only process by which you can automate completely. The next best option left for you is MSF, Multi-Seller Flex. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you want me to cover any other interesting topic, do comment below and I would be really happy to take it forward. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you're liking it, subscribing it and also hit on the bell icon. Don't forget to share it with your friends who says you that only FBA is profitable. Thank you.